The first step is going to be to remove the tunnel brace. To get access to the carrier, we're going to have to remove the exhaust from the downpipe's back. Next, we'll remove the front heat shield. In order to do that, we'll have to loosen up a bunch of the splash shield bolts, remove all the heat shield bolts, and drop it out of the car. Remove the 2 screws holding the bracket to the driveshaft carrier. And we're going to make 2 cuts. That's going to allow us to remove the driveshaft from the carrier. Use a razor blade to cut the bushing material all the way around the bearing. Trim off the center rib, leaving the base layer of rubber intact. Now we're going to attach a new carrier. On the carrier frame, the text is going to face front. On the bushing, it's labeled front with some arrows. Those arrows are going to point towards the rear of the car for this one. Bring the bottom half of the carrier up and attach the 2 together with an Allen wrench. As you're tightening up the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right to make sure the bolts don't bind in the holes. Now we're going to attach the carrier to the vehicle. Go bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, and go up through the carrier. Bring another isolation damper down from the top. Put your small washer on the very top. Go up into the body of the car. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper. Go up through the carrier. Bring another isolation damper down from the top. And then small washer on the very top. Go up into the vehicle.